Welcome back to the Plug-in Report, your go-to channel for all things electric vehicles, innovation, and future mobility. Today we're breaking down one of the biggest questions new EV buyers face. How do you choose the right electric vehicle for you? From budget and charging to technology, battery life, and total cost of ownership, we'll help you narrow it down so you can make the smartest move possible. Before you start comparing EV models, start by defining your specific driving needs. Ask yourself, how many kilometers do I drive each day? Do I mostly drive in the city or take longer highway trips? Do I have access to charging at home, or will I rely on public chargers? How many passengers or how much cargo space do I need? What's my realistic budget? If you only drive 30 to 40 kilometers a day, you don't need a 500-kilometer range monster. But if you travel long distances or live in a rural area, RD3 for Bistendu. Range and charging speed become a lot more important. Knowing your needs helps you find an EV that fits your lifestyle, not just your wish list. Now that you know your driving profile, let's match it with the key EV features that really matter. Range. City drivers are often fine with 250 to 350 kilometers. Frequent travelers or commuters might prefer something in the 400 to 500 plus kilometer range for flexibility. Battery life and warranty. Most EVs come with 8-year or 160,000 kilometer battery warranties. Look for thermal management systems. They protect your battery from heat and extend its life. Charging capability. Can the car handle fast DC charging, or only level 2 home charging? If you road trip often, fast charging will save you serious time. Cost of ownership. EVs have fewer moving parts, no oil changes, fewer fluids, and less wear on brakes, so long-term maintenance is lower. But keep in mind, tires wear faster because EVs are heavier, and insurance may vary depending on the model. Safety and tech. Many EVs come loaded with top-tier safety systems, lane assist, adaptive cruise, automatic braking. Check crash test ratings and look for over-the-air software updates to keep your tech current. Charging is where EV ownership either shines or gets frustrating. Let's break it down. Level 1 charging uses a standard household outlet. It's slow, around 5 km of range per hour. Level 2 charging uses a 240-volt outlet and can add 30 to 40 km per hour. Perfect for overnight home charging. Level 3, or DC fast charging, is what you'll find on highways. Some EVs can recharge from 10% to 80% in about 25 minutes. Installing a level 2 charger at home costs anywhere from $800 to $2,000 depending on your setup. If you live in an apartment or condo, check for shared chargers or nearby public stations. Electricity is still much cheaper than gas. In most regions, you'll save between $2,000 and $2,500 per year on fuel compared to a gas-powered car. And if your utility offers cheaper overnight rates, your charging costs drop even further. Before buying, map out your local charging stations and check what networks your EV supports. Tesla Supercharger, Electrify Canada, ChargePoint, and others. The sticker price isn't the full story. What really matters is total cost of ownership. While EVs can cost more upfront, federal and provincial incentives can reduce that. Then add lower fueling and maintenance costs, and the lifetime cost often beats gas vehicles after just a few years. Let's look at the numbers. The average EV in North America costs around $55,000. A comparable gas vehicle might cost $48,000. But you could save about $2,000 per year in fuel, and another few hundred in maintenance. Over 5 years, that's $10,000 to $12,000 in savings. Battery warranties give peace of mind, and long-term owners benefit most from those reduced running costs. So don't just focus on the purchase price, think long-term value. Now let's match some real-world EVs to different budgets. Budget-friendly choices under $45,000 CAD include Nissan Leaf, a proven reliable option with up to 341 kilometers of range. Chevrolet Bolt EV, compact, affordable, with over 400 kilometers of range. Kia Soul EV, practical and fun with around 380 kilometer range. Mid-range options between $50,000 and $70,000 CAD. Hyundai Ioniq 5, striking design, fast charging, up to 480 kilometer range. Kia EV6, sporty performance with similar range and charging speed. Tesla Model 3 RWD, about 430 kilometer range with access to the supercharger network. Premium and luxury picks over $70,000 CAD-D. Tesla Model Y long range, 497 kilometer range and advanced software ecosystem. Polestar 2, minimalist design, excellent safety and build quality. BMW i4, refined performance with over 480-kilometer range. Each tier balances cost, comfort, and charging speed differently. It's all about what fits your lifestyle and driving pattern. EV technology evolves fast. Look for vehicles that support over-the-air updates, vehicle-to-load power so you can run tools or charge devices, and modern battery management systems that reduce degradation. Choosing a model from a brand committed to long-term software support will help your EV stay modern for years to come. Choosing the right EV isn't just about horsepower or brand names, it's about matching technology to your real-world needs. Define your lifestyle, understand charging, factor in cost of ownership, and don't forget the fun. EVs deliver instant torque and smooth performance every single day. Thanks for watching the Plug-in Report. If this helped you, drop a comment below telling us what kind of EV fits your lifestyle best. Daily commuter, adventure rig, or family cruiser. And don't forget to like, underbus kushkrai, bandobo, schwauder, I3, binoberai, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into the electric future.